How do you set up a softball field in wind? Imagine stepping onto a field where the wind tries to play tricks on every pitch and swing. Setting up a softball field in windy conditions can be tricky, but with the right steps, you can keep the game fair and fun. First, think about how the wind blows across your area. You want to position the field so that the batter faces away from the wind. This means aligning the diamond so the wind blows more across the field rather than directly into the batter's eyes or the pitcher's throwing lane. It helps the ball fly straighter and makes it easier for players to see and react. Next, install windscreens along the outfield and side fences. These are mesh or fabric barriers that block some of the wind while still letting air pass through. Windscreens help keep the ball's flight more predictable and improve player focus. You can find windscreens that are about 6 to 12 feet high and cost around $50 to $100 each, depending on size and material. Another smart move is to add natural or artificial windbreaks. Planting trees or putting up solid barriers like walls or tall fences around the field can cut down gusts and steady the airflow. If planting trees isn't an option, consider installing tall fencing or walls that act as wind shields. Make sure any lightweight equipment like tarps are secured tightly so they don't blow around and cause safety hazards. Use heavier tarps and stakes to keep them in place. When watering the infield or grass edges, water from the upwind side with a fine mist spray. This way, the wind carries moisture evenly across the field without disturbing the surface. Also, think about where players and spectators sit. Position seating and dugouts so they are protected from the wind, maybe with additional windscreens or shade structures. This keeps everyone comfortable and focused on the game. By combining proper field orientation, wind barriers, securing equipment, and smart watering, you can set up a softball field that handles windy days well. It helps keep the game fair, safe, and enjoyable for players and fans alike.